In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no service problem on your T-Mobile SIM card, so you can get back to calling, texting, and using data. Many people face this issue after inserting a new SIM, traveling to a weak coverage area, or when their phone settings are misconfigured. Don't worry, here are the fixes that work. Axe Method 1. Restart your phone. Turn off your phone and turn it back on. This refreshes your network connection and often solves temporary glitches. Axe Method 2. Reseat the SIM card. Power off your phone. Remove the T-Mobile SIM card and gently reinsert it, making sure it's seated properly. Turn your phone back on. Axe Method 3. Check network settings. Go to Settings, Mobile Networks, Network Operators, and make sure T-Mobile is selected, or switch to Automatic Selection. Axe Method 4. Update carrier settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, then About, and if an update prompt appears, install it. On Android, go to Settings, About Phone, Software Update, and Apply Updates. Axe Method 5. Contact T-Mobile support. If nothing works, your SIM may be damaged or inactive. Call T-Mobile or visit a store for a replacement. Important notes. Make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with T-Mobile's network. Check that your account is active and bills are up to date. In weak coverage areas, try moving outside or closer to a window for better reception. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more T-Mobile fixes and mobile tips.